the white one next to the black one. It will go to, see, go straight over to positive 12 battery, and then the next one right here, see that next one, we go to skip number 13 battery and let's go to number 14. See this? I don't know, you see the number 14 battery. I will bring it closer. I have the stand. I holding the stand. Okay, number 14 battery. Now number 15 will be the next wire. Okay, so this one, and then this one, see this one will go to, I'm looking at the phone screen. Okay, so this one going to there, number 14 positive, 14 positive, 14 positive. Okay, and then the next string before the red, see that, it will go to the negative side of the number 16 battery, and then finally is the red one. The red one is this red one right here, see, and now organize them. So now you guys get the idea, right? That I did correctly. Yes. Okay, let me pause the video and I restart it, see if it's work. Okay, so now I will, wow, video getting long already, 26 minutes. I hope you guys can hang with me. Okay, so now I plug that back in, the white set and the black set back in there, right? And now I will turn on the Bluetooth by using this. Okay. You see the light turn on, right? See, it still does that. It's still showing battery full, and the still overload, and number 6 is still drain. But remember the the voltage is still I can test it again. Okay, number 7 is overload, right? Cell number 7. Right here, the screen. I'm holding one hand and I test it with the other hand. 3.27. Okay. Number 6. 3.29. And over there, number 7 and number 8 is the one that are very close together. 3.29. Okay, so basically after connect them all together, it will balance itself. After a while, before I disconnect them. But anyway, number 6 and number 7, you see it, the voltage is still 3.2, and on here is so 4.734, and number 6 is 0.48. So I did reset that, and it doesn't solve the problem. Let's do this while on screen and see when I unplug this. See what happened to this, right? See what happened to this. It happened before, the problem happened before, and I did pull out the string. I did pull out all of them. Pull out both of them, and then it reset itself, and it worked correctly. Before it have some discharge and discharge balance problem as well, but not bad as like this. So the Bluetooth, you notice is also turned off. According to the instruction, it say that it will when if not connect this, the Bluetooth will not work. Okay, so I click it back in. I pushing couple times. I pushing one more time. I'm holding this one more time. Right now, let's pull out the Bluetooth. See if it solve the problem. Okay, so pull out the Bluetooth and put it back in. Okay, pull out the Bluetooth over here and see if it solve the problem. There's no dot or anything in it. Okay. Okay, now refreshing. Let's press a fix, see if it's work. Okay, because the fix, they say that press a fix will reset the Bluetooth. Okay, so okay, still does it. Okay, it doesn't reset it or doesn't fix the problem at all. Everything else is working fine. Before this happened, everything is the same yellow voltage, the same level of volt like this, but now it does that. And I'm not messing with the software, you know, like the voltage in here, the like the setting in here. I did not mess with any of those. Okay, so I need to show you guys this one too, or customer service of Overkill Solar want to see it. So this one is still fine, the same. Okay, monitoring, click over here. let's do this while I'm here. So turn this one on. I turn the breaker on. That will connect to the battery on the top. See, the line goes to the bottom. See the red power cord go to the bottom right there, and the black power cord over here is go to the bottom there. Okay, so I press this again and it doesn't work. Okay, see. Okay, still does that, and all of this still there. What did I do? Okay, so I remember. I want to show you this. Okay, so the first thing is battery state, which is that over here, right? And parameter view. Sorry guys, I'm checking the video, bear with me. Okay, so 3.65, I did not mess with any of this. There. This battery bank is 302, and the cycle capacity I will use is 300. I can set at 302 as well, because this capacity is up to 310 or 315. This is CATL 302 LiPo 4 by Doken. I ordered from Amy, and here see the 80% will be whatever. Okay, so I did not mess in any of this, right? Parameter setting. Okay, so pretty much the same with this. I'm not worried about the sensor because I'm in California. Oh, I hate mosquito. I'm in San Diego, California, so right now the temperature is about 67, 68 Fahrenheit. So I'm not worried about the overheat or too cold. So see, the nominal capacity, it was 302, 16 cell, 3565, 3.5, all of that, 24, 26, all of this right here, and charge is 58. Overload release is 56. Pack voltage battery is 58, I mean. Okay, so 48, all of this number, you can see it clearly. Okay, so I'm not messing up with any of this, okay? So it's just the way that it is. I did not change anything. $300 okay. So now the next one will be parameter setting already done, right? The next one is function setting. So function setting is the way that itself as well. The temperature, everything on here is the same, and temperature sensor is there and 2 there. There's only 3 sensor. And let's go back. And parameter function setting, the app setting, I did not touch any of this. Okay, so you guys already on that one. Okay, so that will conclude the video. Please like, subscribe, and let me know down there and see what you think and what happened. Maybe you guys have an idea how to fix this, or I contact Overkill Solar already, and the gentleman or the lady just contact this early morning and say that take a picture or something, but I take the video, and maybe it will be better to show them that there's a problem with the BMS, and hopefully they can replace me another one. And now I have to do all of this string again. I have to buy the what is it called, the ring circle right here, for to do all of this. 16 of this take me a long time to cream them. And thank you guys for viewing my video. Please do like, subscribe, and have a good weekend.